I just found an amazing free AI video generator, and I had to share it with you because what it can do is insane. I'm talking about an AI video generator that can create longer videos, mini documentaries, and Instagram reels in just minutes without spending a single dollar, without hiring anyone, and without touching a camera. Here's the thing. Most AI tools out there, like Sora, Kling AI, Google VEO, and others, can technically create videos, but they're limited to tiny 5 to 10 second clips. And to unlock even that, they charge you hundreds of dollars every month. That's insane, right? Paying hundreds of dollars just for barely usable, low-quality footage while still needing to edit and patch everything yourself. But this free AI video generator that I found, it does everything that these other AI tools can't do. With this tool, you can create long videos, complete documentaries, scroll-stopping Instagram reels, all automatically generated from just a few lines of text. And the results? They actually look professional, like something a full production team made. Let me show you what I mean. First, here's a video I created using this tool.
At the edge of the world's oldest desert, 3 giants rise, silent witnesses to millennia of human ambition. Built with precision beyond imagination, each stone a testament to the ingenuity of ancient engineers. Carved from the earth itself, these stones hold secrets of a civilization that shaped the course of history. In these sacred symbols, stories of pharaohs and gods are etched into eternity. For centuries, the pyramids have drawn travelers and scholars alike, inspiring wonder and curiosity across the ages.
Every scene, every voiceover, every visual, you're seeing it here, was generated in minutes by the AI. No cameras, no editing nightmare. Next, check out another video I created.
Every country has leaders, but not every country succeeds. The real difference isn't charisma, it's institutions. Institutions are the rules that outlive leaders, courts that limit power, bureaucracies that function without favoritism, systems that work even when leaders fail. History shows a clear pattern. Nations with strong institutions grow steadily. Nations with weak ones rise fast and collapse faster. When power depends on individuals, stability disappears.
Stunning visuals, smooth transitions, engaging narration. Normally this would take hours to produce, but the AI did it in minutes. And finally, here's a viral-ready Instagram reel about the history of Vikings.
When people hear Vikings, they think of raiders, but history tells a bigger story. The Vikings were traders, explorers, and lawmakers. From Scandinavia, they sailed farther than anyone expected. They reached Britain, France, the Mediterranean, and even North America, 5 centuries before Columbus. Vikings didn't just conquer, they settled, traded, and governed through assemblies called things, among the earliest forms of collective decision-making in Europe. Their success came from ships, navigation, and a culture that rewarded skill over birth.
Short, punchy, scroll-stopping. Again, 100% AI generated. You just type the topic, select a style, and watch it come to life. Here's the kicker. Creators who figure this out right now are going to dominate in 2026. Everyone else? They'll be paying hundreds of dollars every month for tiny clips while you're already posting full-length videos that grow your channel and brand fast. So if you've ever dreamed of making professional AI videos for free, this is your moment. In just a few minutes, you could have your first YouTube video, documentary, or Instagram reel ready to go, while the others are still stuck brainstorming for a 5-second clip. Before we jump into the tutorial, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future AI tools and hacks. Also, comment below and tell me what kind of video you want to make first: YouTube video, documentary, or Instagram reel. Alright, let's stop talking and let's dive straight into the tutorial. I'll show you step by step how to create your first AI video completely for free, starting right now. The tool I'm talking about is called Pippet AI, and you can find the direct link to this tool in the video description below. Once you click the link and land on the official Pippet AI website, the first thing you need to do is look at the top right corner where you'll see a button that says Get Started for Free. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking it, Pippet AI will ask you to sign up, and you can do this either by using your Google account or by signing up with your email address. The sign-up process is extremely fast. It literally takes less than a minute. Once you've successfully signed up, you'll be taken to the main dashboard dashboard of Pippit AI. The interface is very clean, simple, and beginner-friendly, so even if you've never used an AI video tool before, you won't feel overwhelmed. From here, look for the option labeled Video Generator and click on it. This will take you to Pippit AI's video creation page, which is where all the magic happens and where you can start turning your ideas into actual AI-generated videos. The first thing you need to do on this page is paste your video prompt. Your prompt is simply a clear description of what you want the AI to create. For this example, I am pasting the following prompt: create an engaging AI-generated video about what life will look like in the future. Show how technology, artificial intelligence, cities, transportation, and daily human life are changing. Use futuristic visuals, smooth transitions, cinematic scenes, and a clear, professional voiceover. Keep the storytelling interesting, modern, and easy to understand with visuals that feel realistic and immersive. Once your prompt is added, you'll notice a plus icon on the interface. When you click on this plus icon, Pippit AI gives you the option to add a reference. This reference could be a link to a website, a blog post, an article, or even your own media files. If you don't have anything specific to upload, you can also choose from Pippit AI's built-in asset library, which already includes a variety of visuals and resources to enhance your video. After adding your references or assets, the next step is to choose the mode for your video. Pippit AI offers multiple modes depending on the type of content you want to create. If your goal is to create a long, cinematic, documentary-style video, then agent mode is the best option. If you're focusing more on marketing or promotional content, then light mode works really well. And if you're planning to create short clips or social media videos, you can choose VO3 or Sora 2, which are optimized specifically for short-form content. Since we are creating a long-form documentary-style video in this example, I'm going to select agent mode, as it provides more control over the structure, flow, and overall storytelling of the video. Next, you need to select the aspect ratio for your video. Pippit AI offers multiple aspect ratio options, including 16:9, 9:16, and square formats. For most YouTube videos and standard screens, 16:9 is the ideal choice, so that's what I'll select here. After that, you can choose the language of your video. One of the standout features of Pippit AI is its support for multiple languages, which makes it incredibly useful if you want to reach a global audience. For this example, I'll go with English, but you can select any language that best suits your audience or content strategy. The next step is to choose the duration of your video. Pippit AI allows you to select different durations depending on your needs. For this demonstration, I'm selecting a full minute video. Once all these settings are in place, simply click on the Generate button. Pippit AI will then start processing your video. This usually takes just a few moments, depending on the complexity of your prompt and the selected settings. When the video is ready, you can preview it directly on the platform.
What will tomorrow look like? A world where technology doesn't just connect us, but understands us. Our cities will be living, breathing organisms powered by AI to be more efficient and sustainable than ever before. Transportation will be effortless, personalized, and emission-free, freeing us to focus on what truly matters. In our homes, AI will handle the mundane, becoming a seamless extension of ourselves, anticipating our every need.
If you're satisfied with the result, just click Download, and the video will be saved directly to your device. And that's it. That's how you create a fully AI-generated video using Pippit AI. This single tool can save you hours of manual editing, a lot of effort, and hundreds of dollars in production costs. And the best part is that it's completely free to get started. Once you're comfortable using it, you can begin experimenting with other types of longer videos, different modes, and even multi-language content to seriously level up your video production. Thanks for watching.